Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you one simple Excel trick that can clean your data in seconds.
Recipes can be reconstructed by moving the letters.
How? Supposing you have this data set with names, first name and the second name, and you want to clean this data in a way that the first name will remain on the A column while the second name will go to the B column. You simply highlight these. After you have highlighted them, you come to your data, this data menu, you click on the data menu, you move over to this menu that says text to columns. So you click on the text to columns, a bulb pops up. Once the bulb pops up, it shows you delimited. You continue that way, click next. Once the next comes up, make sure all this tab, just click on this space and make sure this space is marked good. It will show you on the preview that it has already demarcated your first name and the last name. After you have done this, click finish and that is all. If you watch now, you now have your first name and your last name. Excel have demarcated them. So you can actually come here and name this particular place second name.
Clap for me.
This is how you clean your data set and work faster in Excel. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I will see you in my subsequent video. Bye for now.